Start by opening your PayPal app or visiting the website. Log in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to Settings by clicking the gear icon on the top right corner. In the Settings menu, look for Security and select it to enter your security options. Find two-step verification and click on it to access your two-factor authentication settings. You will see an option to turn off two-step verification. Click on it and confirm your choice. Congratulations! You've successfully disabled two-step verification. Your PayPal account is now easier to access. Remember, without two-step verification, ensure your password is strong and unique. Consider re-enabling two-step verification in the future for enhanced security. Stay aware of any alerts or unauthorized access to your account. Your online safety is important. Keep your software updated. Thank you for watching. Stay secure while using PayPal. For more tutorials, subscribe to our channel.